Francisco Perez. Has great leadership.
He takes charge on big jobs, and he's the team leader. He coordinates the tasks, the work, the tools, the equipment, the materials. Leads by example, so we can get the job done faster, smoother. So I think he's ready for his next big role. He takes leadership on the work at task. He makes sure that we get it done.
So far this year, we've been together for about 3 years now, since he came to the West Side. Great person to be around with. He does his good job. Everything he does it 100% good.
He's a good guy to work with. Yeah, I wish we could get more guys like him.